I've switched over to the random orbital sander, and I've now got 120 grit paper in there. Let's give this a whirl. Now we've taken it down to 180. I've got the trim router with a round over bit in it. I'm going to redo the edges. The edges have been redone on both sides. Now we can just raise the grain again before we apply some water. We'll apply some water first before we raise the grain, and we're well on our way. It with a light water coat, let the grain raise and let it dry out. The last part is just to give it a hand sand. I've got 220 grit. Give the light, get all the dust off. We have some Nova 37 cutting board and butcher's block oil, my favorite part. I don't use a cloth, I use my fingers. I find that therapeutic for some bizarre reason. Be that as it may, my therapist can help me with that. We'll do it the other way. Let's get some oil on here. My favorite part, everything changes colors. Table, not going to kill the tabletop in any shape, size or format, probably only benefits. So let's just spread it out and watch it come into new shape. And there you have cutting board refurbished.